Hi friends, welcome to Cuzu Land.
Sandwich time, come on, let's see. What can our sandwich house be? Bread goes wiggle, bread says hi. Let's build our house up nice and high.
Wow,
Bread build walls strong and wide. Our little house starts inside. Cheese is yellow, bright and neat. Come help build our house so sweet. Cheese goes up across the top. There goes our roof, plop, plop, plop. Red tomato, round and bright. Make a window, what a sight.
wow,
Green cucumber, fresh and round. Make a little garden ground. Green lettuce makes the grass. Our sandwich house is growing fast.
Olé!
Egg brings a table round and small. A cozy table for us all. Orange carrot, 1, 2, 3. Build a little fence with me. Edible makes the door. Open it, then close once more. 1, 2, 3. Windows bright. Our little house looks just right.
Cuzu Land.
Blueberries sparkle blue and bright. Tiny lights make everything light. Green path winding to the door. Come and walk it once more. Everyone helped, big and small. Working together helped us all. Tiny kitchen, bright and neat. Made with lots of things to eat.
Ate.
Date goes here, cup goes there. Set the table with some care. Red and green, yellow too. Orange foods are here for you.
Wow,
Dance together, round we go. Food friends make the garden glow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What a yummy mix.
olé!
Thank you, friends, you helped today. Building, sharing, laughing, hooray. Bread and cheese and veggies too. So many colors, fresh and new.
Wow,
Our sandwich house is built today. Learn, build, share, and shout hooray. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba.
bye bye friends, see you again. Please like and subscribe.